Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw from Etoro. So in order to withdraw from Etoro, all you have to do is just make sure watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you have to go and log in into your Etoro account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. While you're on this page, from the left hand side bar, go ahead and tap on withdraw funds. After you click on withdraw funds, you'll be able to see this sort of interface where you have to enter in the exact amount that you wish to withdraw and where you're actually withdrawing. Click on submit located right at the bottom. Next field is going to ask you to go through this interface, so click on continue to withdraw if you're sure about it. Now you have to go and select which better alternative you'd like to withdraw your funds. So select that, and after you've done that, you need to go and continue all of these. And once you've done that, you need to enter in the information of the withdrawal. So for that, go through this. Click the close button located right at the bottom. And as soon as you've done that, you'll have to tap on the next button in order to confirm the withdrawal. And it's going to take a couple of hours for the transaction to complete. So you have to wait patiently until you get further notified. So that is basically how you can withdraw on eToro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.